Use the soft, colored side of the sponge to apply the cream evenly onto dry skin. Make sure the hair you want to remove is completely covered with cream, but don't rub it in. Wait as instructed on the package before getting into the shower. Shower as you normally would, but avoid letting the water stream hit the cream directly, as instructed on the package. Leave on for the recommended time, then use the rough side of the sponge to gently remove a small area. If the hair comes away easily, use the sponge in a circular motion to remove the rest. Never leave the cream on for longer than the recommended time. Rinse your skin with water and dry off to enjoy smoothness that lasts up to twice as long as shaving.